If you have jaw pain, there's several ways to help fix it and make you feel better. So first, try to relax your jaw. Sometimes we tense our muscles when we're stressed, so you can do this by taking deep breaths or gently massaging your jaw with your fingers. Next, apply a warm or cold compress. A warm cloth can help relax tight muscles, while cold pack can reduce swelling if your jaw hurts after eating harsh foods or grinding your teeth, okay? Make sure to choose soft foods like yogurts, mashed potatoes, or smoothies. Avoid hard or chewy snacks like, gum or candy. They can make the pain worse. And also, pay attention to your posture. Sitting upright can help you reduce tension in your jaw and your neck. Did you know that? If you notice that you're clenching your teeth, try to keep your mouth relaxed. And if the pain continues, it's a good idea to visit a doctor, or a dentist, so they can give you more advice and check if there's a bigger problem. So remember, taking care of your jaw is important, and there are many ways to help you make it feel better. All right, try these tips out.